Morning, everybody. My name's Paul Simpson. My pronouns are they, them. And I'm one of the organizers here at LSE Environment Camp, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all here today. Environment Camp is part of a bunch of different conferences we do here at LSE that are all part of the kind of like EE program here. And the whole mission of these conferences and of everything that we're doing at EE is to try and bring economists from all fields into working on environmental questions, regardless of whether you necessarily think of yourself as an environmental economist, though I'm sure many people here today do. So this is our second round of LSE Environment Camp, which is our PhD-only conference, as you know. And yeah, the idea is to create a friendly environment for us to all meet each other, get great feedback from faculty and from your peers, and just kind of create, hopefully, like a community that lives on beyond the conference. There's going to be we have three different types of sessions that are going on. So we've got paper presentations. You either have, hopefully you all know, you either have a 20-minute slot or a 30-minute slot. Hopefully you know which one you have. We're going to do questions throughout. So there's not like talk and then questions. We're just going to do questions throughout your time. Yeah. And then what else is going on? So today we have Per this afternoon giving our master lecture. This is something that we've incorporated since last year to try and have great faculty come in and give us sort of a big picture view on some area of environmental economics. We're super excited to have Per with us today. That's going to be followed by a panel talking about kind of directions for future research in environmental economics. This is something we do quite a lot here at LSE. We get people in to come and say, where are we going next? And so excited to share one of kind of a similar thing with you. Later then this evening, we have Esther's public event, which hopefully, yeah, you all have seats for. We'll talk about that later. What's happened? Anything else I need to mention on the schedule of the day? Basically, we have this. And then after the public talk, there's going to be dinner, everybody should know if they're invited. All the speakers are invited, all the faculty are invited. That's it on the structure of the day. Only other thing to say is this is a hybrid session, so we have people on Zoom, and so the main thing is speakers, you should be picked up by all of these microphones. If you can, everyone, if you're asking questions, we'd really appreciate if you could press down the button on the mic in front of you so that they can hear you on Zoom. Ideally, that would be great. Is there anything else I've forgotten to say? No. Robin, would you like to say anything?
Just that this all goes on to the middle of tomorrow, just after lunch. So we have someone up from the Indian certificates to presenting a master lecture after lunch tomorrow. And then we go into another conference called the India Sustainable Growth Conference, where we have a bunch of PhD students and faculty and policymakers coming from India. And so for those of you who might want to work on India, please stay around because there'll be lots of opportunities to discuss potential research projects. And that will go all the way through the end of tomorrow. There'll be a public event, and then through Saturday, there'll be academic presentations. So for those who can have the stamina, we're going to go all the way to close of Saturday. Thank you.
Great. So I'm going to be sharing sessions with Lisa and Emiliana, who are also co-organizing the conference, and we'll give you 5-minute warnings. Lisa, you're going to do that? Yeah, great. All right. Good stuff.